Hello and welcome to our second video. If you're watching this, you're probably wondering how SketchUp works. So in our last class, we studied how AutoCAD works and the basic commands of how to draft a plan. Today, we're going to learn how to make that 2D plan into a 3D floor plan. We're going to add furniture, textures, and we are going to render it as well. But I think I'm going to save the render for another video. Let's start. So I'm going to start my screen recording now. Okay, so in the last video, we made this floor plan. Yes, we only made these two windows, but then I added basic things. I'm sorry, I'm going to change this to dining room, caps, dining room, and that's it. And change this to this bedroom. This is our lounge. I'm not going to change the measurements here. I'm just typing this out to make a point. Okay, sorry. And double click here. This is our drawing room. Okay. This is our parking. Again, I'm not changing the dimensions. Car park. This is good. This is our bathroom. This is our, let's call this lobby. Okay, we enter, we have our lobby, stairs, dining, drawing, lounge, bathroom, bedroom. Okay, all right, so let's take this to SketchUp so we can make a 3D floor plan of this. Okay, but before we do that, I will erase a few things. Okay, I'm going to erase this denomination. Trust me, though, if you erase these things right now, it's going to save you a lot of time in SketchUp. Okay, delete. Okay, let's just delete all of this and this. Okay, if you're wondering, I'm just selecting these lines and I'm just pressing delete. So there's no signs here. Okay, delete, delete, and delete. Okay, so let's just delete this as well. Okay, right. Right, let's just go for it then. Okay, now that I will save this Control S. Now that I've saved this CAD drawing, I'm going to head over to SketchUp. I'm going to open this. Okay, now we have our SketchUp open. I'm just waiting for the templates to open. I'm just going to select inches. We have our SketchUp open here. I'm just going to remove this figure. Okay, delete. Now I'm going to teach you how the basic functionality works on a SketchUp. It's very easy. It's not a big deal, trust me. Even a baby can draw a 3D model in SketchUp. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import. I'm going to head to my drive, and this is the final model we made. Okay, I have this imported, but you'll see if you touch any line, the whole thing lights up. So what you're going to do is you're going to press this model, right click, you're going to head over to explode, and now each line has been separated from the other lines. Okay. Now what you're going to have to do is extremely simple. What you're going to do is you're going to start filling up that space. So how you're going to do that is, this is our window, remember? This part is our window. Okay, we need to select the walls right now. So this and this is our wall. So I'm going to type in L. Okay, in AutoCAD you need to type in L and enter. You don't need to enter anything, you just need to type the word, or you can type L, or you can just find it here, lines, right? So you're going to select any 2 points. So I'm just going to go with here, Okay, I only need this part, so if I can remove this, so I'll select this and delete. Okay. Okay, so now that I've selected my lines, I'm going to press L again, and I'm going to select the rest of the area. Okay. Okay, remember this was our window, right? So if it's being selected, it's not a problem because we will be needing that later on, so it's fine. But this here, this area, let's just delete this for a moment. We'll get back to this in a minute. Okay, so let's select all these surfaces. By the way, there's a faster way of doing this, but since this is the beginner's class, I'm going to skip that. And maybe in the next class, we'll try that as well. Okay, so I'm going to delete this part here because I know this is our wardrobe. Okay, now that we missed one. Delete. Okay, so now that we have this, a normal wall is almost 11 feet high, right? But here we are making a 3D floor plan, so we don't need the whole 11 feet. I think we should go for around 6 feet. So what I want these walls to sort of extend, right? Like to come out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this pull in back button, if this lets me. 1 second. Okay, this is reading now. 1 minute. Okay, this is better. So this push and pull, I'm going to select this. I'm just going to head to a surface. I'm going to select the surface. See how it pulls up and down? Okay, then I need, wait. Okay, back up. Let's finish the surfaces. Okay, so I need this floor. So I'm going to, basically what you need to do is close a box, right? So I'm going to select this. See, this isn't fully closed, but when I do this, the whole surface, the whole plane becomes a surface, right? Okay. Again, and let's get back to this in a bit. And again, and again. Okay. So now let's get back to the push and pull feature. Now I need walls in my house, right? So, okay, by the way, let's just add a window here as well. So, 2. Okay, this is a window. And let's add a ventilator here as well. Take. Okay, so let's pull. So I think 7 feet is enough. So I'm going to type in 7 and feet. Enter. This is a 7 feet high wall, right? Now I don't need to do this over and over again. So what I have to do is just double click and we have 7 feet. And if you don't want to double click, just select the surface, click on it, and just drag it here. It's going to copy the exact same height. But I think double clicking is much faster, so I'm just going to do that. Double click, double click, double click, and double click. Also notice that I'm not selecting the windows just yet. Okay, let's get through the walls first. Okay, now that we have the walls ready, let's take out the steps. So we know from the last class that a step is 6 inches high, right? And the tread where our foot lands is 1 feet long. So I'm going to select this part, raise it up 6 inches, and I'm going to double. Okay, see how if I'm selecting this part, the whole floor is being added. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this surface. Okay, from here to here. Okay, now I'm going to use the same push and pull command. I'm going to drag it out to here. This is 6 inches and 6 inches more. 6 inches more, right? Okay, so this is our step. Okay, one more thing that we have to notice is that now our the ground of our house is lower than our steps. So here's how you can fix that. Okay, Now you're noticing that we have our floor, which is 2 feet lower than our ground level, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this. Actually, yeah, let's remove this. Let's remove this, and yeah, let's remove this. I'm removing these lines so the whole floor is one surface, right? So it all lifts up. If you have, for suppose, if we have this line which is still intact, right? So when I go onto the push and pull command, you see how everything rises up except this area. So we need everything to rise up. Remember, one single line can ruin your entire model. So we have to be very careful from the start. This is why I removed all the lines at the start, so we don't have these excess lines later on, right? Because it's a hassle to remove each and every one of them, like this one. Okay, let's get rid of this. Okay, so we need to raise this by 2 feet, or at least till our last staircase. So, okay, let's put this up. Okay, now we are at level. Let's remove these extra lines. Okay, now that we have all of this, okay, one more thing. When we're dividing a space, it's better to put it at a different level, right? So you can either put it 6 inches up or 6 inches down. It's better to put it 6 inches up because then if you spill something, then you literally have a pond. So it's harder to drain the stuff out from there. So it's better to just raise it up 6 inches. So first of all, we're gonna bring it to our ground level, which is here. Then let's raise it up 6 inches. Oh, sorry, 6 inches. Right? Okay, so here we have our little step where our dining table is going to go. Let's get rid of this line. Let's get rid of this line. Okay, now to the hard part. Let's get to the hard part later on. Let's fix the stairs, the windows first. Okay. Usually, okay, let's first of all, let's bring our windows to ground level. Here, double tap, double tap. Okay, how many windows do we have? Double tap, double tap, double tap. Okay, since this is 6 inches high, let's leave it at that. Okay, we are good. No, we have one more window left, and okay, this is on our ground level, so this is fine. Okay, 2 things to remember. One, a window is always going to be at least 4 feet high, right? At least 4 feet high. So just keep that in mind. So we are going to, one more thing. Remember when we extended these lines and they were extended these walls and they were supposed to be 7 feet, but now we have, let's just measure it out. And if you want to measure something, click on this button, measuring tape, and right. So we raised the ground by 1 feet. So we have to raise our walls by 1 feet as well. So let's just do that. Extend 1 feet, and let's just do it for all the walls. Okay. Now, just check if all our walls are aligned. Let's check. Yes, we're good to go. Okay, now we're going to extend the windows. Remember, 4 feet for the windows, minimum. And, sorry, I did something wrong here. Scratch that. 3 feet. 3 feet for the windows. 3 feet, 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 and a minimum if we are keeping. Okay, so we have raised all our windows by 4 feet. Okay, I'll come back to this one. Let's just leave it at ground level right now, and I'll get back to this one. Okay. So, okay, just Remember to erase these lines, because trust me, later on they're going to be a pain in the ass. So just remember to delete them. I'm not going to delete them because it's going to take it too much time. Okay, let's just make this a surface as well. Okay, this is a surface. Right, okay, so we have our windows at 4 feet. Sorry, 3 feet, 3 feet. Okay, now these are bathroom ventilators, right? So usually if you have a height of 11 feet, so the ventilator is going to start from 8 feet. So if you're going to have a 2 feet ventilator, it's going to start at 8 feet, it's going to end at 10 feet, and you'll still have a feet left, right? If you're dealing with 11-foot high ceiling. But since we're only using 7 feet to represent our walls because it's easier to see in a 3D floor plan, we're just going to leave it at, let's suppose, 6 feet, right? So I'm going to use this push and pull command, 6 feet, and I'm going to use, okay, this was our bathroom, so this was a ventilator. This was a bathroom. Our ventilator is supposed to be somewhere here. I didn't make that. It's fine. This is a demo class, and 6 feet. See, only a feet left. Okay, so since we are done with most of the placements that we'll need later on, please remember to erase these lines. These are going to destroy your entire model later on if not dealt properly. Okay, I'm not going to erase them because I don't think we really need to right now, but you never know. Okay, now that we've done this, this is the hard part. Okay. Let's make this happen. Okay, I'm just filling in the spaces so we have a surface to work on. Okay. Right, let's just fill these spaces. Okay, the spaces. Okay, Control Z, line, and okay, I see the problem here. Okay, now first and foremost, we need to bring all of this to floor level, right? So I'm just going to use the push and pull command. I'm going to bring the railing to ground level. Actually, let's just get rid of these lines because I don't need to show them in our final model. Oh, we missed a few spaces. Let's just fix that. Line. Okay, ground level. First of all, select this one, and now just double click. I know these classes are a little boring, but trust me, once you're done with it, you'll know how to use these softwares. Trust me, if you can learn a software in an hour, that's nothing. It took me 3 months to study all this. Okay, now that we have all of this on ground level, again, 6 inches high, 1 feet tread. Okay, so 6 inches high, 6 inches. Oh, okay, sorry. 6 inches, double tap. SketchUp is relatively easier than 3ds Max. We will be having a class on 3ds Max as well, but for beginners, SketchUp is a piece of cake. Trust me, it is very easy to use. Ooh, okay, 6 inches, we have to do that again. Oh, by the way, once you ruin the sequence, you have to start again, right? Because the double click is not going to have the same effect. Okay, so we fast forwarded to where we have made the whole stair. Okay, now what you have to do right now, you can see the color. This is where you can select the color. Okay, so if you select here, you'll see that we are in a default color. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into materials, then you're going to go into colors, select white, and press control and just click anywhere you want. So basically it changes the entire thing into white. Okay, I'm just doing this because it's easier than add materials to it. Okay, second thing, we're gonna go to SketchUp textures, www.sketchuptextureclub.com. This is your friend, trust me. It is a very seamless process when it comes to downloading any textures, materials, even models. Okay, so I'm going to go for, okay, our first priority is to pick out floor. So I'm going to go with marble. So let's see what we have. Let's go into textures. Okay, in textures, let's go into marbles. Okay, this is all the variety we have. So let's go with something a bit dark. I think this. Okay, once you have this open, you have two options. You have full HD, which is a bit expensive. I think you have to sign up for this. We're just going to download the free one. Okay, once this is open, let that download. Okay, let's open this here, extract it. Okay, now we have this image. I'm just gonna select it, drag it here. Sorry, let me just open this up. Actually, no, wait. So it's not gonna come in that way. Just we'll go into files, import, all supported files. We'll go into download wherever you have, and here we go, import. Okay, that's not working. Let me try another way. Okay, why isn't it letting me take this? Okay, perfect, we're done. So now that we've dragged this inside, okay, when you select this, it's going to select the whole part. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click, explode, and now you can select this texture. Let me just show you how it looks. So when you put it here, see how it's all uneven? You're going to go into edit, and let's say a standard size 4x4. 4x4. Okay, but it still doesn't look right? So what we're gonna do is we're going to edit this entire material. Okay, so I have this selected. I'll go here, create material. Basically, you don't have to do anything. It just does everything for you. It's just a cycle that you have to pull. Okay, then you have to select this again. Okay, now let's edit this out. Let's say 8x8. Okay, I think 12 is the right magic number here. Okay, much better. See, it just seems more seamless now. Okay, let's get rid of this now that we've used it. Now for part 2, we will let's use wallpaper for one of each wall of the bedroom. Okay, now I think I'm going to select the wallpaper, and I'll just go here, go into textures, go here, wallpaper, enter, and I'm just going to select the first wallpaper that pops up, because obviously this is just to show you where to get the stuff, how to bring it into SketchUp. Okay, this seems fine. Go here, you can download this file. Okay, let's extract, and this is your file now. Open this up. We've got a few more. Okay, let's just get this one. Open this, minimize. Okay, now we do the same thing again. We will right click, explode, going to select, and let's just use this wall. Okay, see how it doesn't match, how it's all distorted? This is how you fix this problem. Okay, you go into create material. Okay, this is 20, just change it. 10 by 10 seems fine. Enter, and once you get there, select, enter. That's weird. 1 second. Let me just do this again. Okay. Let's get rid of this. Okay, this seems too big, so we're going to go into edit. And 10 by 10 seems fine. Let's see how that looks. Okay, a little bit smaller, 8 feet. Okay, more small, 6 feet. Okay, this is fine. Okay, now we're going to select this and use it here. Okay, see this line? If you have this line, it's not going to let you go over here. That's why I keep telling you to erase the lines. Okay, this seems fine. And the rest of the house, I think, let's go with a white tone. Okay, so we'll go into white plaster. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this seems fine. Again, in our next class, when we have a better understanding of what SketchUp, AutoCAD, and Lumion is, then we'll go into designing. Right now, just understand how everything works. Okay. SketchUp, import. Right click, explode. One thing that I forgot to mention at the start of the video is if you want to move the camera around like this, there are two ways to do this. One, you grab this roller and just press it, and then this turns around. Or if you want to, for suppose, move a bit further, press the roller and shift. When you press them together, you can move this around. I do apologize, I should have mentioned this at the start of the video. Again, you have to select this, go into create material, just press OK, and let's test this out right here. See, it's huge. So what we're going to do is, let's try 4 feet. That's a little, it's actually perfect. Okay, let's just go with this again, line. Let's just use the material all over the place. Okay, maybe not the bathrooms. Okay. So here. You know what? Let's just use it everywhere, and later on we can change it. Is there anything left? This is fine. I think I'm going to change. Okay, so maybe what I'm going to change is select this, edit. No, frighten it up a little. This is fine. Okay, the second thing, let's do something about this. So I'm thinking about wood texture, right? So I'm again SketchUp, SketchUp textures, wood. Let's see what pops up. Again, the first one I see. What else do we have here? So this is all the wood that's available. Can you imagine? Okay, anyways, so wood. Okay, this decking is fine. Let's pick this. Let's download this. Okay, extract. Okay. Let's take this to SketchUp. Explode. Again, select. And this is going to be C. Okay, let's fix this. Again, create, do nothing. Okay, set this again. This again. Do you see the difference? Let me just back up here. Okay, see the lines we are having here, these pixelated lines. This is what happens when you fix the material into create materials. See the difference? Okay, let's just shorten this down a bit. So I'm thinking 10 feet. Let's try that. Okay, that's not working. Okay, how about 12 feet? Again, nope. Let's break. By the way, this is break the chain. So if something is 2 feet wide and 1 feet tall, and you type in 4, this is automatically going to be 2. So we need to break this chain, right? In some cases. So this is where this button comes in. Just press it here. This breaks the chain. I'm thinking 10 feet, and I'm thinking 20 feet. Okay, let's just go back a bit. Okay, so this is 60 by 30. Okay, so this is supposed to be, let's go for 10 feet and 25 feet. Okay, let's go with here. It's not looking good, so let's go with around 15 feet, and oh, that's perfect actually. Let's go with 12 feet. Nope. 16 feet. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so we have our wood decking here. Okay, let's just get rid of these lines. Okay, now let's import some cars. So we need cars. Let's count the things we need. We need cars here, some grass here. We need a foyer, lounge, drawing room set, a dining set, 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, and another bedroom, right? Okay, these are going to be our so-called master bedrooms, and this is going to be our guest room. So let's head over to 3D warehouse and just type in cars. We need 2 because we designed space for 2 cars. Okay, this seems fine. Now again, I'm using SketchUp 2020. So what you need to do is go here, download, and you need to download it for your model year. So 2020. Okay. Now that that's downloaded, just grab it. Wait, again, open this up, bring it here, and just let go. Okay, so these are your cars. The cars are done. It's that easy. Trust me, it's nothing. Okay, so we have our cars here. Now the second step is bedroom. Just type in bedroom, you'll find the whole model. It's not that difficult. See, we have a bunch of models here. Let's just find something that suits us. Go into models. Okay, fine, let's just go with, actually no, let's just look around a bit. Okay, we have our bed set here. Okay, let's just take this one. Okay, again, for our model here, we need a bathroom as well. Bathroom. Okay, this seems fine. No, actually no, this doesn't suit. This seems fine. Okay, what else do we need? We need we need a lounge. Sorry, kitchen. We need a kitchen. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this will do. Okay, we have a kitchen too. And what else do we need? Dining table. Okay, what dining table should we use? Okay, let's use this one. 2020. And what else do we need? What else do we need? Lounge. These are entire models that I'm just picking up from SketchUp warehouse and I'm just placing it into my models. It's that easy. I always used to think that people used to make each and everything individually, but obviously somebody made this, but it's divided into thousands of people, so it's probably not that hard. Okay, let's just find a dining set. This will do. And what else do we need? What else do we need? We need windows. Spelled it wrong. Yes, windows. This will do. Yes, this will do. What else do we need? We need ventilators for our bathrooms. So okay, this will do. This one. Okay, I think we have everything. Let's go to our SketchUp model. Okay, we need the cars, but we don't need this part. So again, these models come grouped, so we have to ungroup them, and we'll do that by right click, explode, just get rid of this plate, select the cars. Okay, it's better to group these things again because we don't want them to. Okay, let's see if they fit. Oh, okay, that is okay, it's fine, it's fine. There's them here. Let's see if we have, yes, we have space. Ungroup, explode. This car a bit to the right, tight squeeze, but it's fine. Okay, again, group them. Okay, select one click, and if you want to select something else, control click. So you have both of them. Make group, and now they're grouped. Okay, what else did we get? What else did we get? Okay, let's just start placing them here. Okay, I don't know what this is, but I just dropped it. Okay, window, fine. We have our windows here. We have our kitchen here. Okay, this is pre-assembled, so let's just leave it here. It's fine. What else do we have? We have whatever this is. This is downloaded. Okay, lounge, bathroom. Is there a bathroom? Okay, so try not to upload a lot of things on the SketchUp at once because it's gonna freeze the entire thing. Okay, so let's take it one by one. So let's get rid. Okay, this is our dining room. This is our lounge. So let's take it all at once here. Let's place it here. I think this looks a little small. So this is how you increase the size. Go select the whole thing. Go here. Okay, give it a minute. Okay. Oh, okay, I see. Select this, and you can increase the size in any way you want. So I think this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. And if you want to move something, just move it here. Okay, this looks fine. Okay, now we come to our bathroom. See how it's already a full bathroom? So let's just use this. Explode. Get rid of the walls. Get rid of the door. Okay, let's get rid of the ceiling, the lights. Actually, you know what? This ventilator is better. Let's just keep this ventilator. Okay, let's install the ventilator first. Grab it. Where is our bathroom? Okay, we did not design a ventilator. It's fine. L for line. Let's draw 2 lines here. And let's just copy these lines. Okay, we have one here. It's fine. Okay, so let's just push this down to the level, to this level. And we have a ventilator. Okay, select this, but obviously we cannot because they're on different axes. So to rotate this, just select this 90 degrees, grab the corner, okay, see how it does not align with our cutout? Easy. Give it a moment. One more thing, if you download a lot of warehouse models, it will crash your computer at one point. But the best thing to do is get rid of the model first and then import all the materials, all the models, sorry. Okay, so let's make our bathroom first. So what do we need? Let's take this. Okay, again, we need to rotate this because we need it pointing the other side. Okay, grab this. Okay, this is first. Then I think we can bring our toilet. Grab it. See where it goes. Again, we might need to rotate it. And select. One moment, where did our sink go? Okay, I understand. Okay, because both of them were selected, they kept on moving. Okay, let's just use this, grab this quick. This is where we need it to point. Grab the corner. By the way, do tell me if I'm running at a good pace, if I'm speeding or not. If you don't understand anything, of course you will reach me in the comments. And let's take the shower. Where do we put the shower? Okay, we need to rotate this as well. So rotate. This is fine. Grab a corner. Grab this corner. And that's it. We have our bathroom. Okay, so a very easy method of just saving us some time is select these 3 things. Control C to copy them. Control V. Okay. But we need a mirror image of this, right? So what we're going to do is, we have this selected. Okay, right click. You'll see flip along. And which axis are we on? Red axis, right? Okay, so flip along red direction. And then we can just copy this here. See, this dimension is a bit off. It's fine. We can just squeeze it in a bit, and there we go. Okay, it's very important to factor in these 3 axes: red, green, blue, especially while you're flipping things. Okay, we have our bathrooms done. Let's just make a line here, because later on we will have to be changing the tiles here. Okay, now kitchen. See what I mean? Okay. Now we are at the kitchen. So actually, you know what? Let's just keep this. Keep the tiles. Explode. Give it a minute. Explode again. Okay. So let's get rid of the walls first of all. Yeah. Okay. Let's get rid of the walls, the ceiling, everything that we do not need. And okay, I guess this is enough. Let's get rid of that and group this again. Make group. Okay. I think our kitchen is big enough. Actually, let's rotate it a bit. Okay. Again, see? Oh, sorry. See how it doesn't fit? Again, to scale. Let's push this in as much as we can. Okay, I think our kitchen looks fine, but we need to move this table here. So explode, grab this, and just shift it a bit to the right. Okay, I think that looks good. And let's switch this off again because we will be changing these tiles. Okay, what else do we need? Yes, dining room, our dining room. Let's leave the windows for now. Okay, we had this downloaded. Let's see where it is. Okay, can we see it? Okay, dining table, yes. Import it. Let's grab it here. See, we need to rotate it. Rotate this here. Okay. Let's see if it fits. It does. And what's left is our bedroom sets and our foyer and a drawing room. So let's do that. Okay. Let's download the bed set that we had. Where is it? Okay, washroom's done, so let's delete that. Kitchen's done, let's delete that. Dining table's done, let's delete that. Okay, let's see if this is. I hate it when people don't. Okay, this is the cars. Fine. Let's get rid of this. Okay, let's see what this is. This is the ventilator that we downloaded. We don't need that. We already have one. Let's see what this is. We have used this. Delete. So we have to download this window. Let's just refresh this a minute. Okay, tiles. Okay, these are tiles. Okay, let's choose something that goes well with bathrooms. Okay. Okay, because I wrote tiles, it's just showing me everything. 1 second. Let's just go with this tile because it's funny. Okay, we have our corner window downloaded. Let's just choose this again. Right. So let's just rotate this. This is what we need. And there you have it, a corner window. So that's done. I think we are almost done. Let's just change this. Okay, this, I think you can just use normal materials of SketchUp here. So if you go into materials, okay, materials, something's not right here. Select. Okay. Okay, give it a moment. Give it a moment. Select. Let's go for landscaping. Okay, we have our grass here, so let's just use it here, and that's it. Oh, we forgot to use this button. And to put doors, yes, there's a little bit more to be done here. So in the outside bathroom, we usually don't put showers in. So let's just use this button. Okay, let's just move it around a bit. Yeah, I guess that's it. We need a ventilator here, so let's just use this, copy paste. Okay, we are good to go. It has, okay, let's download this. Extract all. Okay. Let's explode. Let's use it here. Let's use it here. Oh, wait. Create materials. I think 3 feet is fine. Okay. Okay, I just changed the meter here to this, and let's just change our kitchen to this as well. It's funny. Okay, now we have to do the doors. Okay, so I think we have a door downloaded. Where is it? I don't think it's the right door. Let's download the door. This door is fine. Download this door. Trust me, it's easier to find the actual door. It's just download a new door. Trust me. Okay, where is our door? Okay. Let's start attaching doors to our house. Okay, so this. Give it a moment, give it a moment. Okay, done. Attach doors. This is, no, this is a bit bigger. Let's resize it. Copy paste. Okay, copy paste. Do we need a door somewhere else? No, we don't. We need a door here, so copy, rotate. Okay, let's rotate it here. Okay, we need doors here. Let's just copy this one, it's easier than rotating it. Copy paste. Give it a moment. SketchUp's on fire right now. Okay, we have doors. Do we need doors somewhere else? No, we don't. Not in the kitchen. Not upstairs. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, so we are officially done. So if you have had any problems, so this is what our foyer looks like, our drawing, our dining, our lounge, our kitchen. Please don't judge me on the tile selection. This is only a demo class. And that's it. So see, I told you even a baby can make this. So if you're new here, please subscribe. And if you like the content we are providing, please hit the like button. And in the next class, I'll show you how to render this. We have designed it. We have created a 3D floor plan, and in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to render this entire plan. I hope you found that useful. I'm Abdullah Shah from Red Brick Architecture. Thank you.